Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a design review for 3200 square feet plot area. The house is distributed on 3 levels that includes the formal and informal living areas and the entertainment zone. A planned landscape with paved area for the parking leads to the entrance, which has been built on a raised plinth. Parking area can also be enclosed partially through the foyer. We enter a luxurious formal living area. The intricate work in this beautiful adobe attracts one and all through its architectural features. Common toilet could also be accessed from the living area. Staircase and lift are placed beside the formal living. The double-heighted living area, accompanied with linearly placed kitchen and dining, greets the people with warm welcome and open up to the large balcony. Through the narrow passage, a secondary entrance is dedicated that opens up to the staircase. While moving through the spine, there are views of the outside spaces through the square cuts on each level. A bedroom is designed at the back with attached dress and toilet opening up to the sit-out balcony. The large sit-out balcony overlooks the recreational area that creates a continuous conversation with the surroundings. Basement is dedicated to all the leisure activities. It contains a large party hall with open bar and sitting areas. The floor plan is open and ensures versatile, clutter-free space. The residence is a harmonious reconciliation of the diverse set of design factors that are the part of any architectural project. The backyard is designed with a large pool, adding nature's vocabulary to the leisure spaces. Spiral staircase connects the backyard to the sit-out balcony exteriorly. A step-down home theatre is designed in the basement as well. On the left is a guest bedroom with attached dress and toilet. First floor is designed as the private space and caters 3 bedrooms with attached dress and toilet. Furnishings are simple and warm, with each room imbued with the energy of abundant natural light. All the bedrooms open up to the balcony area, giving a happy and relaxed environment to the residents. Minimal yet lavish, the interior is highlighted with natural stones and polished woodwork that leads a comfortable feeling to the home. Rooms are panelled with beautiful teak work as a natural art, elevating the minimal decor. The central family lounge area forms a bridge that overlooks the spaces below. Terrace is open with sit-out area and the landscapes around. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.